Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to book cricket match tickets online using Bookmyshow. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up any web browser on your PC or laptop or even on your mobile device and head on over to Bookmyshow and then click into bookmyshow.com. Now what you want to do here, it says search for movies, events, play, sports, activities. Type in cricket and a whole range of different options will appear here. So you can book tickets. For example, the Indian Premier League. So if you want to go book tickets from there, or Mumbai Indians versus Royals, you can go click onto that. And if you want to book this game here, click on book. And then make sure you're signed in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in now. Alright, once you're signed in or create an account, click on book here. And then you have around 4 minutes to select your seats. So every game will be different. So I'm going to pick 2 seats. And then I'm going to choose whereabouts I want to book my tickets. I'm just going to buy the cheapest one here. Oh, there's none available. Alright, I'm going to choose these 2 seats here. Then click on book, bottom left hand corner, once you've picked your seats. Then it'll say confirming your ticket. And then you can either do home delivery or pick up from box office. I'm going to do pick up from box office. And you can see the price here. And you've got an option if you'd like to share your personal data with Mumbai Indians. So I'm going to uncheck that. Oh, I need to check that actually. And then I'm going to click on proceed to pay. Also, you can select state here. So proceed to pay, confirming your tickets. And now this is where you add in your pay stuff. So if you've got a credit card or quick pay net banking, add in your credentials here. Make sure you got your email address there and your phone number, and once that all's done, click on make payment, and then you've booked tickets for a cricket game using Bookmyshow. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.